Welcome, you beautiful people. Well, let's see what we got today. Hopefully, we get a trade because Monday was no trade because I trade with TopStep and all that Amazon outage, bro, just destroyed TopStep. So let's hope we get a trade today. Already 10 o'clock, so we are a bit into the market already. 1 hour, we have this fair value gap. Let's just mark that out. Have that 1 hour. So that, oh my God. Okay, never mind. Is it gonna work now? 1 hour fair value gap. There we go. So it'd be nice to rebounce off this and go take all-time highs. How are we looking on the 15? 15. The only thing I can really see is we took out this sell side right over here. So taking out that sell side. Wow, this looks trash. 5 minute. Still pushing. I honestly really wanted to see us respect this 1 hour. But it doesn't look like we will, honestly. I'd really like to know what the heck happened in this time over here, though. But beautiful TopStep. Actually, you know what? Just took the sell side. And we are also respecting this 1 hour for value gap as well. So on ES, it looks like we want to bounce off and continue higher. While NQ is just pushing with all its strength down. Oh my God, bro, don't run away from me, man. I was waiting for this since 9:30. Bro, give me an SMT so I can find an entry, man. Bro, I swear I'm gonna lose my mind. Bro, the stock market recently. It would honestly be so beautiful if we can get a little push, sweep these lows, make an SMT with NAS and ES, and then after have our push for all-time highs. That's what I'm hoping. Is the market gonna give it to me? I don't know. Should they give it to me? Absolutely. Because that's what the market wants to do. I mean, bro, look at ES. ES is respecting it perfectly. Look at that. To the T, bro. Sell side. Swipe that. Swipe or no dicer. Tank it all the way to all-time highs. NQ, on the other hand. In Cuba on vacation. I don't know. Well, what do we have here? SMT. SMT. 1 minute. Swept that. Bada boom, bada bang. Why does this does not look straight? Okay, that's better. And baby inversion. Not crazy about it, honestly. Yeah, we have that SMT. It's a very baby SMT though. I really do not like it. There's no higher time frame for value gap that we're playing inside. Well, I mean, yeah, the 1 hour. That's more of like an inversion, and this is like the retest right now. But we don't have like a 15-minute or 5-minute fair value gap that we're sitting in. So that doesn't really give 100% confirmation that there is like a little seeding ground that it can go below. So that's not crazy about. We do have the SMT. We do have the manipulation and the market structure shift. We do have the inversion. Just the only things is we don't have a 5 or 15-minute fair value gap, and we're not inside of a macro, so I wouldn't be crazy about taking this trade, to be completely honest. It would be a bit of a risk. Again, this would have been a beautiful trade if we had a fair value gap on a higher time frame, kind of supporting this, which we never had. Okay, well, I fast forwarded some time a bit as this was going up. I was like kind of hitting myself in the head. But again, it wasn't my confluence. I was missing one strategy, as I mentioned before. And well, I would have never hit TP. I would have went right down to break even. So that's crazy. I don't know where this move came from. But on the bright side, what do we have now? Let's remove all of this because this is not important anymore. We have a new SMT. So let's see. Maybe now we can get into the trade. I'd hope we can get into the trade now. Let's see. Let's see. Honestly, I'd like us to come down, sweep one more time, and then start pushing up. Or honestly, even as I said before, just come down and sweep these lows. Yeah, because if we come down and sweep these lows, I don't think ES is actually going to take the lows as well. NQ would take the lows, sweep it. ES would make the SMT. 100%. I'm just waiting for that to happen. Second we get that, oh my god, we are so golden. So golden. Yeah, there we go. We broke that SMT, so non-existent. Non-existent. C'est pas existant. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't tell me you're gonna edge me like that. Take out the low. Take out the low. There, yeah. Good job. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, good boy. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now we took out the lows. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, not sell side. SMT. Nice. And what did I say? ES. Obviously didn't take it. How predictable. Okay, that's beautiful. We have a 5 minute. We can have a market structure shift. That's nice to have. Okay. Now, since it's just such a big distribution down, I don't know. I don't know what to do. No, I'm joking. Since it's such a big distribution down, I'd want to see us, I would say, chop a bit. I know that kind of sounds weird, but I want to see us chop a bit before we have our push up higher. You know what would be honestly beautiful? This candle closes like this. Next candle closes like this. And then after, next candle sweeps it. And this is our fair value gap. Full close, bang, bang, bang. Invert that. And then after, just tank it up. That's what I would love to see. You know what? I'm gonna keep this on the charts because like I'm just a mega mind and I know for a fact I just predicted this. Let's see from here. Let's see. So you know what? Fast forward. Oh my god, bro. Bow down. That's crazy. I'm a god. I'm actually a goddess. Like, bro, I just predicted this beautifully. Okay. So, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are we gonna get an entry? Oh my, we're actually gonna get an entry. Okay, wait. Let me clear all these like drawings right here. Okay. It's beautiful. Right to those highs. Okay, we have that SMT. Yes. We have the manipulation. Yes. This is gonna be our market structure shift. Yes. my God, I'm getting the shivers. I like this trade. Yeah, if we can invert this. Okay, yeah, we got into this. It would like you have to. You have to get into this. Is it beautiful? So we had this SMT, we had the manipulation, we had an inversion fair value gap. Bro, how can you just not get into a trade like this? So let's see how this is going to play out. Honestly, this might be a little early, but I think break even would be a good idea. Again, this might be a little early, but break even, I think is, yeah. Let's just mark out this inversion, which we have right here, that hopefully we make a full body close past. We still have 20 seconds before this candle. Yeah, that's a beautiful inversion. So I wouldn't want to see this inversion getting taken out. Oh my God, can we just push up? I hope we don't hit stop loss right here, which I really hope. Hiya, hiya. Come on. Konnichiwa. Damn, you can't be serious right now. Oh well, what can you do? But I mean, this was honestly just a beautiful trade. It is what it is. I'm not ungrateful. It was still a nice $130, I think it was. But could have been way better. Well, anyways, it's not the end of the day. Let's see if we can still get another trade. There's no way we're actually gonna go to my take profit right now. Like, are you serious? Bro, how does that even make sense? I mean, no way. No way. Whatever. I'm grateful. It was still positive. It's whatever. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Okay, well, can we get another entry at least? Like, I need money. I need money. I would like another entry, please. I can't pay the bills this month. By the way, just a little side note. If you don't like Wolf of Wall Street, please unsubscribe for me and get off the stock market and close your brokerage account, close your leverage account. Honestly, like honestly, if you do not like the movie Wolf of Wall Street, like the most iconic movie that all stock market traders all watch, and if you don't like it, there's a problem. That's just my personal opinion.